Hello, this is Yoda8232. Today I will be showing you how to install a hard drive into a computer. First things you will need: a case, a hard drive, a screwdriver with 4 heads, and 4 screws. First, take out the hard drive from its anti-static packaging, or whatever it came with. This is very easy to install a hard drive. As you can see, there's a big bay and a small bay. This is where the 5 1/4 inch drives go, and 3 inch drives, mainly for hard drives, DVD drives. What you do now, take the hard drive, and you can see there's clips. Slide it onto the clips, and it's there. It's in. Then you have to find the holes. Oh, there it is. The holes lined it up. Then you take your screws and screw them in. Some cases have toolless bay things, so they just use clips and stuff instead of using screws. This one does not. So that is how to install a hard drive. And remember, remove all static before touching parts inside the computer, simply by touching a metal part that is properly grounded, or using an anti-static wrist strap to prevent shorting or other electrical not good things. Thank you for watching, and continue watching my videos.